Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, T-Bird Stacking. Look what I got in. Got it in from 3D Woodwork. I was expecting this. I won one of his GAWs, and I know what it is. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty excited to see this. I ain't gonna bother with that knife. I'm just gonna rip it open. This is gonna be so sweet. Oh, let's see. Nothing in there. Now he's doing sticker mule too, because he used a sticker mule package. Nice. Oh man, let's see. Oh, this is gonna be so sweet. Let's get this out of here. Everything's out of there. Okay. Oh boy, look at that. Wow. Yeah. You got some swag. A couple of stickers from 3D Woodworks. Nice. Glitter sticker. Sweet. Oh, look at this, guys. This is awesome. Man, I'm really I'm so stoked that I got this. It's my first coin ring I won on his channel. All right, let me see here. I can get this to focus in. Oh, there's even design on the inside. Look at that. It was made out of a 50-cent Benjamin in 1954, if I'm not mistaken. You can still read United States of America on it. Wow. half dollar. Wow. That's just awesome. Oh man. Oh, it fits perfect. I'm gonna put it on that hand. I only got my wedding bands. I've never had any other rings. I don't know whether I should put it on the right hand. That knuckle's a little big. Uh-oh. Guess I might be using some soap and water. Tell me which hand I'm supposed to wear this on. The right? The left? I guess the left. Works pretty good here. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. T-Bird out.